I think there is a strong metaphor between running a successful business and doing an expedition or climbing a mountain. Doing one step after the other, getting closer towards a specific goal, maybe a summit. It's all about the process and the journey. Heimwerkertools was founded actually as a side project, just out of a garage, but it grew extremely quickly in just a few years, from a few parcels a week to 20 parcels a week, the year after 200, then 2,000, and we do over 500,000 orders this year. We offer high quality regional products that are typically not available for the retail market. Ordinary handyman, do-it-yourselfers can actually benefit from great high quality products. Products that are built to last for decades. We partner with companies that are used to ship in pallets and not individual items.
Der Endverbrauchermarkt ist sicherlich interessant für uns, aber man muss sich spezialisieren. Es ist ein großer Unterschied in der Betreuung der Kunden und dazu braucht es einen Spezialisten. Und das ist in diesem Fall Heimwerkertools.
It is a very different proposition from shipping pallets from one business warehouse to another to managing the last mile of an order that oftentimes are worth only about 10 euros. Sustainability needs to be at the core of what you do. And that is actually very important, a great link to our partnership that we have with DHL offering Go Green solutions. DHL was critical helping us in the e-commerce field. And when we implemented our new ERP system, DHL co-invested in new technology to then ensure that we can do even 500,000 parcels a year in a completely automated way. I think nowadays as a company, you need to be purpose-driven. You need to have a strong reason why do you exist. DHL and Heimwerkertools share the ethos to put the customer first.